I'm going to be walking you through on how to automatically split any data you have in Excel without manually doing so. So on display right here is a real data set gotten from 200 level electrical electronics engineering students from the prestigious University of Rivers State. So to automatically split their names into 3 segments without me having to manually start typing it, follow these steps. Now, if you have a data set that you want to split the names, all you have to do is impute your equals to sign, and then you call up your text split function. Once that's done, you select the first name there, and in the formula, there's a comma after that. So once that is done, your code delimiter, you could just put in a double apostrophe and then another apostrophe, and you close it with a bracket. And as you can see, the first name has been splitted into 3 segments. In order to do this for the remaining data sets, all you have to do is to come down and you drag it, and it automatically fills it up for you. If your autofill is on, you could just come to the edge of this, and then you double click, and it will also autofill it for you. Thank you very much for watching.